Thank you, friends, for coming back to step number 2. This is what I want you to do. I want you to get your angular brush now. And I want you to come in, and we're going to give it some reflection. Lightly. There you go. Pull that down. See on the bottom here? Oh. Don't go straight across. Kind of dip it. Do it where it's a little up and down. Oh, that's beautiful. Now you're going to take your angular brush and you're going to come in just like this. There you go. There you go. Now it'll break that up. And I hope everyone is having fun. And I hope everyone is doing well. We got our reflection in. Great. Now we're going to, there you go, take your angular brush and we're going to come up and we're going to make a tree. Let me see. We'll do it this way. We'll come up. Okay. We're going to come down. There you go. There you go, friends. I'm going to make our tree. I'm just going to give it some branches. Okay. You can take your point of your angular brush. And you can come up and just give it a little flick like that. And now we're going to come down. We'll straighten that out like that. We'll come down. There you go. Now we're going to dab a little white. So we're just going to have like a little gray. That'll mix that nicely to give it like a two-tone. Okay. Oh, very good. Very good. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to come in with a smaller angular brush. Just another couple little dabs in here. Alright, there you go. And now, let me see, what we're going to do now is come back and get our whisk brush. This one here, the whisk brush, right like that. Oops. Here you go. And we're going to dab it into some green. There you go. Right on the branches there, friends. Oh, I love it already. Isn't that beautiful? The tree's coming right to life. Look at that. Okay, you're going to dab that off. Now you're going to come in with your lighter green. And you're going to do some dabbing. So you have the light on the darker colors. It just makes it pop so well. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy with that. That looks wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Now, let's say over here, we want, why don't we have enough time? Why don't we get to do, let's get our, okay, let's come up with an angular brush. And this is going to be smaller because it's further away. There you go. There you go. And now you're going to take your very small whisk brush. Let me grab that. Okay, that's right here. Here we go. Alright. And we're going to come in with some Oh, yes. Some of our dark green. Just tap it like that. That's all. Look how beautiful. And you get to see the sun area in the back. Now you're going to get some of your lighter green and go over the dark. Oh my goodness, it just pops so beautiful. Love it, love it, love it. And then you're going to get your angler brush and you're going to get a little white. We're going to make like a little gray. And what we're going to do, remember, nothing in life is one solid color. So we're going to stroke that through like that. Okay, I'm loving it already. Now what I want you to do, take your angular brush and make this a little thicker right here. I'm going to make this area a little thicker in here. Yeah, like that. That looks great. Okay, now what I want you to do, I want you to take, let me see, your angular brush. Okay. And then, this is what we're going to do. Take some yellow. Come up right about here. Turn it. And turn it that way. Oh, yes, beautiful. And now you're going to fill it in. There you go. Twist that angular brush. In my other videos, I did the sponge, but at times, I don't know, I like to use my angular brush. Love it, beautiful. And with the same brush, let's go right under. There you go. Alrighty. There you go. We're going to run that through. Now apparently, let me just show you. If anytime you do that and your paint is still a little wet, just let it dry. Okay, we'll dab that right off. Friends, please come back to step number 3. Okay, now we're going to get our little fisherman right there. Thank you so much. And I can't wait for you to come back. Thank you. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.